What's good, guys? Welcome. My name's Ozzy. I'm gonna be backtesting, I don't know, a couple of weeks of data. Let's get this shit. Also, if you have any questions about the trades I'm taking, I will not be answering them immediately. I will first take the trade and then answer the questions. Okay, it's a Friday. Let's see. First things first, damn. Let's see. Are we at all-time highs? Okay, we're in this daily. It's not a rebalance. Okay. We inverse this 4 hour. No, we didn't. As soon as 4 hours gonna hold, we are tapping into this 4 hour breaker. Shit's mad big, so I'm not gonna mark it out. I'm just gonna keep it in mind. 4 hour breaker. We just took out this hole. This is previous day high. Turtle soup, bottom right. Okay. Let's see. Assuming this is a news candle. So let's mark out data lows. Strong liquidity. See, we swept previous day highs. Wait. Okay. We got London lows right there. We got previous day lows right here. That I'm mad geek, bro. Let's see. See the 930 combo. Okay. So we are rejecting off of this OB minus. $5 minutes CSD. I think that's a CSD at least. No SMT. Just been accumulating. Okay. This is what I wanted to see. A SMT with 930 open. Okay, we tapped into that 15. I don't know what to think of this. Just gonna wait till we inverse this. Okay, that's a no entry. Right? We took out this low, and we didn't. Okay, that's data lows. No, scuffed. Okay, there's Asia lows. Still got previous day lows. See what look, you want to catch a continuation move. Fuck. Oh my god. Okay. It's another SMT. Data lows. What's with this trade candle, bro? Oh, that was 10 a.m. open. Okay. Low Q. Hold on. Ain't no fucking way, dog. Okay, there's the 5-minute rebalance I've been waiting for. 15. My lord, my lord. Okay, these niggas are annoying as fuck. I don't know if you can. Mad geek right now. Okay. Looks like we're getting some exhaustion. See the range we're trading in. Tapped into equilibrium. No OT entry on NQ. Maybe he has tapped into it already. Yes, they definitely tapped into that. Gotta change it as well. Where is it? Think we can take the short. I'll wait for this 3 minutes inverse. I'll take this shit to come on, inverse. Okay, this is crazy. Okay, this might be something. Yeah, it's gonna dump. Okay, this session, bro. Okay, previous lows got taken for sure. Not even. Okay, I want to take this trade. It's a PDI. We have accumulation. Manipulation upwards. We are in this order block right now. We have a no rebalance yet. I want to take this shit. Let me see. I'm gonna get a better entry than this. I don't. Okay, stop loss is this order block. Down close candle. Place order. 1%. See. Sell them. Bro, I don't understand this shit. This new effects replay. What is that? FX replay, huh? Market order. Huh? What is this, bro? Okay. No, fuck. Take profit. I'm gonna take this shit to previous day lows. Let's see. I'll go break even right here. Okay, that's break even. I'll take out 50 as well. 50% of my position. Hello? 50. Huh? What am I doing, bro? I feel like Blake. I feel like fucking Blake. Okay, the trade is a W, but this is crazy. Any questions about this trade? That's crazy. This is crazy. How did I make $3 off this shit? What was it? 230 tick move. So that's like, I don't fucking know. A 150 point move that I just missed out on. Oh, that's crazy. That's actually nasty. Okay, so confluence for this trade was pretty simple. We have an accumulation zone right here. We manipulate out of it. We are rejecting off of this mini order block right here, and also this mini order block. We also tapped into this 1 minute that we sharply rejected off. There was no SMT, please, that I saw. Right? Yeah, no SMT. It was just a simple PDI. Originally wanted to enter off of this 3 minute inverse right here. Couldn't because we dumped like crazy. We didn't tap back into the 3 minute. So that was a short I missed out on. This was also because we tapped into equilibrium and ES tapped into OTE and equilibrium of the zone. How do you change the to dark mode? I don't fucking know. Yes, this is the recording. Yeah, fuck you. Any questions or not? Otherwise, I'm going to continue. Turtle soup, yeah, it was turtle soup. No SNT though. Was it not? I mean, not a turtle soup. It was more of a order block rejection. And a PDI. You may enter many times with fib and equilibrium. You enter many times with fib and equilibrium. I mean, I use it a lot. I would like to 20, 21, 50Ks. I don't fuck with 300Ks. This is being recorded. Okay, I'm just gonna continue. Let's go to, I just clicked on AM. I meant to click on PM. It's okay though. Okay, let's see. This is moving, bro. moving like crazy. Not much to go off on here, to be honest. Definitely not much to go off on. Let's see. Damn. Okay. Yes, it's not as volatile. God damn, nigga. This is some more structure. We have a fat ass SMT. Okay, I'd like to believe that the high day has been set. We have a fat SMT. We just took out tons of liquidity. Previous day highs. Yeah, previous day highs. We are tapping into this hourly order block. 15-minute order block. I'm sorry. We have a double SMT, an SMT, an internal SMT. We also have an SMT with this shit. But most importantly, we have an SMT with the previous day highs. It's also 955. Statistically, the high day and low day are set within the first 30 minutes of market open. So I'm just gonna go off that, especially now that we have a SMT with previous day highs and an internal SMT. Not to mention, we just swept previous day highs, bottom, right, just soup previous day highs. Also, pretty important to notice that we are generating liquidity. We are leaving. We are accumulating right before 9:30 open, and once 9:30 opens, we manipulate higher up immediately, which gets us in this already mitigated huge 15-minute. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we're set for shorts at the moment. I don't want to try too early on, but I'm gonna wait for this 1 minute to get inverse. I only wait for inverses if I do not have enough conviction. I do have enough conviction to know that this trade is going lower. And I do believe that the low of day has already been set. Let's go with London low, not as the first target, but as a final target. We have the 930. Please pre-mark 930. Accumulation lows. Let's see. We just leave. Yeah, we did leave another SMT right here. Did we soup that? I hope we did. We did soup that. So I think this is the final upward move to take out resting liquidity right here. So I'm just gonna mark this. Didn't
I just watched it.
that. We did inverse here. We haven't taken out internal lows. Okay. I'm gonna take this short. Or am I gonna take it to this question? I think previous day lows. It's pretty doable. Okay, let's take this shit. Pretty good. Okay, so compliments for this trade are pretty simple. We have accumulation right before 9:30 open. 9:30 open manipulates up. We sweep previous day low, previous day highs. We have an SMT with previous day highs as well. We have an internal SMT. We have an internal SMT. We have an SMT with previous day highs. We go up to sweep this liquidity point one or less time. We have inverse this 1 minute, along with all these other 1 minutes that we have here. So yeah, let's see. Okay, my rules are pretty simple. I will break even after we take out an internal low or high, but honestly, I think we can reach this 5 minute. So I will break even when we do that. When we did. So let's break even. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna take out 50% my position right there. I'll trail my stop loss. It lets me to this order block. Is it etching me? Okay, perfect. Perfect. Hi guys. Yesterday I did a backtesting session. Today I'm going to do another backtesting session. It's just me trading my model or my trading style, whatever you want to call it. First off, let's start by marking out everything. Is it laggy for you guys? Or is it okay? Shit, my internet is bad. It's okay. It's fine. Let's get this shit done. This 15. Listen. The Excel side. Okay. Another daily purple. God damn, that's a big ass Monday, right? Yeah. A big ass annual new weekly opening gap. Hasn't been filled yet, so you should expect some movement to that side. To how ES is looking. Yeah. Okay. I mean, it's kind of dumb, and I'll probably won't get an entry with. Yeah. Oh, that's nasty. That's really nasty. Okay. SQL loads. Right. The and walk. See if we can get a continuation move. Okay. Okay, so we have an SMT here. We didn't tap into equilibrium. It's looking like it's ready to dump. I'll try this with lower risk, honestly. Yeah. I'm gonna take this to here. I'll try this with okay, hold up. So the composite for this trade would be an SMT, just a simple continuation model. We have accumulation right here. We manipulate up, we take our sell side. Then we distribute down. We retrace a little higher. And we leave an SMT with these highs. We don't hit equilibrium. I definitely do want to see that get hit, but I still want to try this. We're also rejecting off of this order block, so looks like this order block is gonna hold. I believe we also hit a 5 minute. No, maybe a 15. Also, or am I 15? Okay, let's try this shit. I'll go break even right here. Let's see. Yeah, good enough. Okay, let's go break even. Okay, I got the stop right there. That's unfortunate. If this was played out. No. Well, this is not a loss, it's a break even. Any questions about this trade? So even when we don't reject all as long as the job's clear and other confirmations into the faculty, you still take it? Yeah, I still do, but I'm cautious when I do it. Do you use TDO as a strong liquidity? No, I use it more as a fair value gap or an order block that we can reject off of. Yeah, low risk. Did you take this trade only over the S&T? Kinda. We also rejected the order block. And the draw was just lower. We have NWOG. We have the NWOG is pretty strong draw on liquidity. So if I can take a trade, if I can justify a trade towards the NWOG, I will take it. But be cautious because this was a D-rated setup. To be honest, it's not enough conviction. If I could have found an entry right here, it would have been way better. I've been trading for 2.5 years, almost 3. We didn't hit equilibrium or a gap that is necessary. That's why I was cautious about it. That's why it's a D setup as well. Yeah, TDO is 12 a.m. open. No, I don't use three-day open as a drawn liquidity. I use it more as a fair value gap or an order block that we can reject off of. What would you rate this setup a D? I am Arab. Yeah. Yeah, possible reversal point. I'll answer 2 more questions and then I'll go to the next session. Yeah, John liquidity was the annual previous day lows. My entry was just an S&T and a rejection off of the order block. NWOG is the new week opening gap. MashaAllah. One last question. God, I need a beer, bro. You posting this in my journal? No, this is backtesting. How am I doing today? Pretty sick. So, could be better, but I'm okay, I guess. Let's continue. I take 1 trade a day, 1 session, and that is New York AM. So, let's see. You have an SMT here. Pretty good. We have loads of low resistance liquidity up, higher up. Wouldn't be surprised if he taps into an hourly. We barely did. We did fill this hourly, but maybe a 4-hour. 15. No, rejecting off of this order block. Stack order blocks off of this inverse as well. Looks like we're gonna inverse this 15-minute. see what the day profile look like. Age accumulation and manipulation, you have reversal, or am I tripping? Honestly, I want to see this range get rebalanced, or at least step into optimal trade entry to take some shorts because the order flow or this market structure looks bearish. Looks like we've entered a market maker sell model. We have loads of lowers. This is liquidity on a high time frame here. Loads of rebalances. We still have the NYP we haven't tapped into yet. So that's something to keep in mind. Yeah. Looks more bearish, to be honest. Let's see if we can get an entry though. Damn. Yeah, that's OTE. Looking for it to fill at least 85% of this of the range. So looking for this external to get swept. No, already did. That's great. Still looking for 85% minimum. Okay, we just swept external, this external range. Good. We'll take a look at this range. Tapped into OTE, swept this external liquidity, which is the market. See what ES looks like. Okay, it looks like we left an SMT here, which is pretty good. An SMT with current New York AM highs. We swept sell side. We left an SMT, we tapped into the optimal trade entry of this range. Looks like we're pretty ready to dump. Also, an internal SMT is gonna dump for sure. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a limit order right here at this order block. Stops at the SMT highs. Gonna take a look at my targets. Targets. How many points is that? Not too crazy. Yeah. I'm gonna do this, but I'm gonna do it with less risk since my stop loss is really tight and it's a limit order. So we might get stopped out at the first first entry. Okay, so confidence for the trade. We also have low resistance liquidity here. We have relatively equal loads. Yeah, okay. Looks pretty good. Don't know if we can get an entry, but we'll see. Combos for the trade, pretty simple. We swept sell side on the 15-minute. We left an external SMT with current New York highs. You would have noticed me saying that the high day and low day are set within the first 30 minutes of New York Stock Exchange open, 80% of the time. What helps me like determine if it's like true or not is an external SMT and internal SMT liquidity sweep, and we're gonna take a look at the midnight open. Which is right here, a little higher up. Let's take a look at ES midnight open. Okay, also higher up. So this is midnight open. I still think this is the high of day. I don't think we'll break this high of day. So ultimate confidence for this trade is we swept liquidity on the 15-minute. We left an external SMT with current New York highs. We also rejecting off of this breaker block, of this 15-minute fair value gap. We left an internal SMT, and yeah, that's it. You also have a scuffed PDI right here. Accumulation zone, we manipulate up into the 15-minute, leave an SMT, sweep sell side liquidity. We also have lower resistance liquidity. Let's just play this shit out. Okay. I got filled right there. I'll go break even at accumulation lows right there. And I'll take 50% as well. Okay, looks like ES is already dumping. We have an SMT. Hoping that NQ will follow soon. And it looks like it's doing exactly that. This is break even. Let's also take out 50. Okay, this is annoying as fuck. Let's take out 50% of our position. And that's full TP. Any questions about this trade? Why not entering at the current candle then? Better RR. 2.24 here, and if I entered at the order block, it was a 126 point something. Can you give a quick rundown on how I use my fibs? Okay, pretty simple. Most people use them for calculating, at least like visualizing the optimal trade entry, or looking at the standard deviation. Me personally, I don't look at standard deviation that much unless we're at all-time highs or unless I'm looking for targets for an ABS model. So you place your fib tool at a specific range. This is the most recent and most obvious recent dump that we had. So you place it at this range, and then you take a look at where the equilibrium is and the golden pocket. It's all you need. The equilibrium and golden pocket is all you need. Because most of the time we will reject off the equilibrium. If we don't reject off of the equilibrium, we will reject off the optimal trade entry. And these are my fib settings, by the way. Yeah, these are my fib settings. This is for optimal trade entry and equilibrium, 0.25 and 0.85. I wouldn't pay too much attention to that because that's just something else I've been trying to implement in my model. It's not necessary for you all to learn it. And then the 2, 2.5, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2.5, minus 4, those are standard deviations. Okay, if I wanted to take longs, If I wanted to take longs based off of this range, I would put my fib right here. I'd wait for price to tap into this golden pocket zone. As you can see, we just displaced through it. That should be enough. Like, that should be a big enough sign to like tell you that we are not gonna respect the golden pocket or the equilibrium for that matter. So yeah, if I wanted to take long space off of this, this is where I would place my fib. Okay, give a OP tutorial, order block tutorial. An order block is just the last up close. If you're looking for a bearish order block, you should be looking for the last up close candle before a really big move down. Okay, so for example, we have a big move down here. So you would look for the last bullish candle. This would be your order block in this case, and vice versa. If you're looking at this move upwards, you can see that this is the last candle down, like bearish candle that we made before making this big move up. So this would be your order block right there. You can see we displaced right through it. Maybe it'll hold. Doubt it. It didn't hold. You can use order blocks at any time frame you want. Isn't it the whole price leg? No. Like this or this. How do you identify low resistance liquidity? Low resistance liquidity is just trend line liquidity. So if you can draw a trend line, this is low resistance liquidity. It's just as simple as that. It's just less resting liquidity. How can we get the recording? Will is recording right now. We'll post it soon, I think. You only take setups where there is an SMT. It makes my setups higher rated, so I preferably wait for an SMT to form. Any more questions? How many setups do you take a week on average? 5 to 7. I don't know. Sometimes I take more than one setup a day, but that's just because my my profit target hasn't been hit yet. No, I don't take. I don't only take a trade if there's an SMT. I do prefer an SMT though because it makes my my stop loss. My setup a higher rated setup. You have a max daily loss limit, yeah. 1.5%. How much do I risk per trade? Between the 0.5 and 1%. My daily profit target is 2%. $1K is a good profit target for 50Ks. You miss the worst setups because you wait for A only. I don't wait for A only. As this strat is low-key just Blake, but he anticipates the inversion for better RR. Is a little bit of technical stuff. Blake doesn't. Yeah, kind of. Do you recommend risking on a 50K between the $250 and $500? You ever take? Yeah, I do. I wouldn't recommend it though. Don't do what I do. Just because I take a B setup doesn't mean that you should too. If I take a B setup, it's most likely because I have the buffer to do so. And I doubt any of you have a good enough buffer to take lots of B-rated setups. You think backtesting helps a lot with patience? I know Prats is gonna do something, but no, backtesting will not help you with patience. That's something I like believe in. What will help you with patience though is if you take like demo trading really seriously and also forward testing, because in backtesting you can just skip to certain times and it won't help you with patience at all. Like Brady said, backtesting just helps with confidence and refining a strategy. I don't Usually I don't trade PM sessions. Sometimes I do, but I don't. No, I do not recommend that at all. 2 cons on a 50K is way too much. I trade 2 to 3 cons on a 150K. I think the maximum you should trade you should like risk on a 50K is 1 micro or 10 minis. Sorry, 1 mini or 10 micros. Nah, I don't use it that often. But it's really good though. It's really good. You should use it if you're struggling with bias. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so it looks like we have a Red Forward news event at 8:30. Those are data highs, data lows. Probably gonna take out data highs first. We have relative equal highs here, data highs above. We okay. We have an SMT right there. Order flow still looking pretty bearish. We still haven't filled the NWOG. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Okay, then hold. Oh, I'm gonna 15 minutes. It's crazy. Okay, we took out data highs. We are rejecting off of it to an extent. What does it look like? Okay, so we have a 15-minute CISD. We have a 15-minute rebalance. We have a 15-minute fair value gap that we just rebalanced. Don't have an SMT. Hope we can hold this CISD in 15 minutes so I can take some shorts. I want to see an internal SMT if we don't have a external one. Want to short it. Did we range in this? Okay, probably want to short it till here. Because it looks like we're ready to enter a new model. Market make a buy model. Still want to try short some. See. Okay. That's the internal SMT I've been waiting for. We also filled the 15-minute. We inverse that minuscule 1 minute. Yeah. I think I can take this. Holding that 15-minute, we are holding this CISD, we're trading back to the CISD. Do they open right there? Confluence for this trade, pretty simple. We have an SMT, internal SMT. We're holding this 15-minute rebalance. We're holding the 15-minute CISD. We have some accumulation before New York Stock Exchange open. We manipulate up into the 15-minute CISD as well. Targets. We also have low resistance liquidity below, which can help us with hold on. Yeah. Let's take a look at the 5-minute. Okay. This could work out. I'll take it. Honestly, what's this? I'll take it to the intraday open. Yeah. Okay, place order. Okay, I'll repeat my confluences. Okay, starting. We had 8:30 news. We took out data highs. We have accumulation right before New York Stock Exchange open. We manipulate higher up into the 15-minute. In the 15-minute, we leave an internal SMT. We also hold this 15-minute rebalance and the 15-minute CISD. We have intraday open below. As you can see, we displaced through it and we rejected it. That's why I don't want to take this further down towards OTE or data lows, because we have rejected TDO once. I'm expecting it to hold once again. We also have low resistance liquidity that can help us with some momentum. Yeah. Not much to say. I think we were holding an order block as well. This order block. We're holding this 15-minute order block as well. Yeah, let's see it. Down. Down. Okay then. Okay, then. I don't know why did it go break even right there. Okay, so this is a mistake on my side. Should have gone break even when we took this into low. Okay, let's go break even. Let this shit right. Okay, that's full TP. I have no clue how I didn't get stopped out on that. No, I do have a clue because we have a CISD, a 15-minute, and an internal SMT. So that's probably why. Also, the order block, the 15-minute order block that we had. Looks like we held TDO as well. So it was a perfect exit, in my opinion. Any questions about this trade? Minutes CSD. Honestly, I think this is a 50-minute CSD. Okay, so CSD is basically a market structure shift, but instead of doing it with wicks, you do it with an order block. Okay? It's basically just that. CSD is like an OB for the whole move, huh? This is a CSD. I don't know. Change in state of delivery. Look, we have an order block right here. We do a little change, like market structure shift with the order block. CSD. See? Any questions about the trade? Bro's using... Nah, it's brave, bro. It's brave. It's brave. You only say trade inside my macro? No, not specifically. Just between 9:30 and 11, yeah. You think it's better to use CSD on a 15 or a 1 minute? A 15 minute is way stronger than a 1 minute. Okay, let's continue. It's a massive order block. Okay, we have an already order block that we are still holding. Don't know. Let's look at the range of this move on the hourly. Looks like we tapped into OT, filled 85% of it. Looks like we're ready for some downwards movements. At least that's what I think. We also have accumulation. Just straight up accumulation. Let's mark out teal. Looks like we've been respecting TDO pretty well. Look, we want to take shorts right the fuck now, but I'm just gonna wait till we get some more structure. Oh, yeah. Okay. So we have a high, low, higher, high. Then we are going low, lower. So this would be an ABS model. This would be your potential breaker block. So high, low, higher, high. I would have entered here. We are also rejecting TDO, but I didn't know this is the ABS model because it's so scuffed. If you go to like a lower time frame, you would see it more clearly, but it's okay, I guess. I want to take this, but I want better risk, a little better risk. So I'm gonna take it off of this order block right there. Stops at that. Okay, so confluence for the trade is pretty simple. we have TDO that we're rejecting off. We have multiple order blocks right here that we are rejecting off of as well. We just swept most of the liquidity that we had built up during London and Asia. We also are respecting this 1 hour order block right here and this 1 hour inverse. And it's an ABS model, so high, low, higher, high, go lower. At least that's what I think. Yeah. Stops at this order block right there. TP a little like I think this is, yeah, stops at London lows. Target at London lows. So let's see if we get filled. And we did get filled. Let's go break even, take out 75%. We are in this order block that we are rejecting, and we do not do that anymore. Okay, questions about this trade? That played out so fucking beautiful. That was so beautiful. Can I show the 1 hour? Oh yeah, also we hit OTE of this range. Any questions? Which model do you use in ABS and what else? PDI that maps statistical trading. Yeah, that in the Discord live post up, baby. That's all. When you start using TDO a couple of weeks ago, actually, not too long ago. Yeah, I did use TDO. This is the TDO right here. This line, TDO. Talk about the entry, please. TDO rejection, order block rejection. OTE of this range and OTE of the hourly range. Question, thing where you lock profit is OB or breaker? It's an order block becoming a breaker. Dun, dun, dun. Eens even zien. Okay. Are we just gonna dump? Low? Okay. Shit. Low-key messed up. SMT order block. No rebalance. Not gonna enter up on SMT. Can we please do something? Okay. Yeah, okay. This PA is just straight dookie. Let's do the outro. Okay, guys, thanks for watching this backtesting session. I hope you learned something. I hope you, I don't know, became more profitable. I'll see you in the next backtesting session. So, yeah.